This is Durban Network bafowethu sikhona la ku-Brilliant Cup khona la eKhethomena Sports Ground njengoba besishilo ukuthi namhlanje kuzobe sekwama semi-final so uyena ucoach kuMpumelelo Xulu weBlose Madrid njengamanje sizoxoxa naye akasitshele nje kabanzi ngeteam yakhe mfowethu senitravelile nisuka kuma group stages naze nafika kuma semi-final njengamanje njengoba nizodlala i-semi-final yenu how has the journey been for you ukusuka leza nize nifika nikhona?
It's been difficult. It's been an enjoyable journey, obvious. I think abafana bami manje they're excited and ukuthi bazodlala isemi after so much grueling and tough games. I think the standard of the tournament is up there. Sometimes abantu ngazophika ukuthi ingane lezi idlala la. But the level yakhona has been excellent for my boys. I think we've grown as a team up until the stage less. And it's been tough, but we're enjoying it.
So far, if you were to talk about ama points or pickile from abafana bakuthi naya i-department esi-strong kuyo naya esi-weak kuyo yini ongathi uyiphikile so far kule ndlela esenihambile?
I think in terms of aggression on play, we're quite good in it.
Yes.
I think keeping the ball, we're good at it as well. I'm just not happy with when it comes to aerial balls or I must say pieces, we're not as clinical as we had hoped this will be clinical. Before he said we need to be more clinical.
Yes.
I think we're playing a very good team, know how to play, keep position, just like us. So I think it's over a tense game or an even game. Then I must say pieces we need to make sure ukuthi siyawasebenzisa ngale ndlela.
If nje ungasho i-team yakho in terms of style of play, are you guys more defensive or offensive?
We're very offensive. People will think maybe we have got 5 defenders. In fact, we don't. we got 3 central defenders. We play 3-5-2. We got 3 central defenders. I'm a full backs who go up and down.
Yes.
Got 2 strikers and 3 in the midfield. And the 3 in the midfield, we bring in our central defender whenever we attack, shoot us now 4. So that means just defending at 2. We risk. We are a team that risks and goes forward. So we are an offensive team. I never believe in defense. We are a team that keeps stock as well, keep foot position. So we are a team that always goes and scores, and that's why we are scoring. But then
how many goals have you scored so far?
If I'm not mistaken, we've played 4 games now. We've scored probably 7 or 9 goals.
Yes,
that's
a big number.
Goals, exactly. So and we've conceded 1 penalty foot.
Yeah, that means defensively you are also
exactly. That's why attack is the best form of defense. That's exact.
Going to semi-final, I'm sure you have sort of wafunda i-opponent lo ubhekana nawe uyabazi mhlambe badlala kanjani wa-detecta lezo zinto ama-preparations akho so far for i-semi-final for i-opponent osoyiridile lapho there and there ame kanjani?
It's more of I don't read on to opposition. I'm more focused on my team statistic because I feel when we focus on them then we'll change game plan. As much as SARS by threat but we won't focus we just focusing on our game and improving our game and making sure we execute the plan.
Kunama scouters akhona la azobheka abafana abanye mhlambe singabeka nje ukuthi abantu asibazi ukuthi ba scout obani nobani mhlambe khona i-chance oyibona kwabakho abafana ukuthi khona
definitely inqaba sometimes ngidlela ngiphethe ngase squad even ebenchini I feel sorry for laba sebenchini because I know how good they are angabaya bhekwa nabo but unfortunately we have to pick only 11 out of 18 or 22 And yeah, but definitely we've got top talented players.
Usound engathi iBlossom Matrade isithathile already.
No. But I'm very I'm looking for positive. I'm very positive. And I hope we should go through to the final.
Yes. Mhlawumbe mfowethu sesivala, let's speak of iBrilliant Cup, uBrilliant Khuzwayo as a legend.
Yes.
Sikhulume futhi ngama-sponsors akhona njengamanje naye umasipala weTheku nali Phepheza lifileke emva kwethu, khona abo-Aquel, khona abo-Score namanye ama-sponsors akhona. Mhlawumbe ungathini ku-Brilliant nawo lama-sponsors nje ngoku-organizer indumezulu engaka ekwazi ukunceda abafana abancane?
No, it's a fantastic initiative. Siyabonga Brilliant for staging such a tournament. Siyabonga ama-sponsors for supporting such an initiative. It changes i-life of abafana abancane. Kuba khona something abazoyibeka etafuleni, ziba kukhona ama-scouts and stuff is invited them. So definitely it's a positive and a great initiative. Sibonge nje kakhulu ke.
Siyabonga my brother.